going to be? Okay, tahimik lang po. Sandali lang po.
My little buttercup
That includes you.
with the sweetest smile.
Ingay mo rin. Tahimik sabi.
It's good to be back. It's good to be
Ang
back.
sarap ng... Ay, ang sarap din yung panoorin.
Siguro po, I also want to have that sing and dance combination. And
Dance too.
Actually, magaling siya sumayaw.
and child idol ko po. So it's Sarah. So
Sarah!
Sarah.
Yay! Thank you, Demi!
We will do this together, okay?
Okay po.
I believe in you.
Thank you po.
Lapit ka na, malapit.
Go!
Oh!
Go po. Thank you po. Coach.
Congrats.
Thank you po. Ay, thank you. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Ingat, ingat sa pagkaka...
Can't wait to see you dance!
When I looked at her, I'm like, I know which way
I know.
she's gonna go. It's like, it's just like, there's this, parang
I have a new song.
hindi na kailangan i-explain eh. Parang, it's like, that's it. 16 years old siya, Filipino, sensibility, yung pati na rin yung kantang pinili niya. It's like, oh, I already know which way it's gonna go. You can use that weapon again, you know. I'm sure.
You got Trev do it too.
Okay, ngayon makakasama naman natin si Demi. Bago ang lahat, Demi, congratulations! You're officially part of Team Sarah. Feeling mo dahil 3-chair turner ka.
Medyo po, nung una po, napaiyak. Kinontrol ko na, oo, pero kinontrol ko lang po. Siyempre, nakaka-flatter kasi nung una po talaga, hindi po talaga ako hindi po ako nag-expect na may magta-turn. Kasi sabi ko lang po kay God, mag-give ko yung best. Mahala na walang may nag-turn.
Pero you did your best.
More than one binigay niya.
Yes.
That sing and dance combination. So it's Team Sarah. So it's Sarah.
Ending mo pa rin was Coach Sarah, ang pinili mo. Bakit si Coach Sarah, kahit nagpakita si Coach Apple ng video ni Jessica Reynoso, nakulot din.
Dapat si Coach Apple, lalo na yung nilabas niya yung video, medyo parang, wow, ito yung opportunity. Pero parang gusto ko kasi both skills and opportunity. Kasi sa skills, ano yung
Para sa'yo.
Oo, kasi sing and dance si Coach.
So gusto mo rin mag-dance? Akalain mo si Coach Sarah, magiging trainer din siya pagdating sa sayawan. Okay. Kasi ngayon, napupuberbahin mo na lang. It's the battleground. Pero so far, as of now pala, is mag-e-enjoy ka dahil ikaw ay naging part ng Team Sarah. And because mag-e-enjoy ka, sasampulan mo kami
Wow.
ng kahit anong awitin ni Coach Leia.
Coach Leia.
Ni Coach Sarah.
Coach Sarah.
Yung ikot-ikot.
Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot, ikot. Ikot-ikot lang.
Iniikot kita, sabi mo ikot ka. Hindi ba okay yan? Well, certified Team Sarah ka na talaga. So, good luck sa inyong magiging coaching relationship ni Coach Sarah. And I'm sure mag-i-improve ka pa because of Coach Sarah. So, bye!